హాయ్ వ్యూవర్స్, ఇప్పుడు వరకు చాలా ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ అన్నీ చూసాం. ఇక్కడి నుంచి మాత్రం మనం కొంచెం సబ్జెక్ట్ లోపల వెళ్దాం. ఏదైనా ఏదోటి కొత్త నేర్చుకుందాం. ఈరోజు డూ యూ నో అనే కొన్ని సింబల్స్ అవి చూద్దాం. తెలిసిన వాళ్ళు ఇవన్నీ మేము చెప్పినప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ మీకు తెలిసి అయితే కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లోని ఐ లైక్ అండ్ ఐ నో ఆల్ దీస్ సింబల్స్ అని చెప్పండి. ఫస్ట్ ది colon, 2 dots, semicolon, and the third one is full stop, and the fourth one is comma, and the fifth one is slash, and the sixth one is hyphen, and the seventh one is question mark, and the eighth one is quotation mark, and the ninth one is exclamation mark, and the 10th one is ellipse, and the 11th one is square brackets, and the next that one is curly brackets, and the next that is 13th one apostrophe, 14th one percentage, and is a symbol, greater than symbol, less than another symbol, at the right sign, this is the symbol, equal to, and the hashtag. This is being mostly used in the social media. Those who have been using these days are mostly in the Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Now you can see where this is being used. First, this column, semicolon, full stop, comma, slash, hyphen, question mark, quotation mark, exclamation mark, and ellipse. These are being mostly used in the English language. And next, these square brackets, and these curly brackets, and apostrophes, percentage. These are being mostly used in the mathematics. And this greater than and less than, this is also being used in the mathematics. And equal, this is also being used in the mathematics. This hashtag, this is the most popularly used in the social media. That is why this, then the at the right sign is also being used in the social media. For this, you have been learned some of the unknown things, I think so. What is your favorite and don't known symbol? You can comment me in this comment section. Those who have been watching this video for the first time, and my video which has been seen for the first time, please like, share, and subscribe. You can see the entertainment world, and you can also be seen in this education purpose also. That is why please like, share, and my channel Bocha Padma Charitable Trust. Thanking you. Signing off, your Rashekar. Thank you.